Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. It is Wolf and I'm here to bring you some tech news. Okay, first article from Intel. Intel's Architecture Day 2020. Well, was it yesterday as I'm recording on the 14th? Yes. They detail some new technologies that is going to improve their upcoming graphics architecture Intel Z graphics. Maybe it will be fabricated by a different foundry since they're having problems develop, developing their 10 nanometer, but most likely not. That is if they have the foundry space where they can fabricate all they want. This is good news because we're expecting more competition in the graphics space, not just Nvidia and AMD. You know that AMD is not much of a competition for Nvidia. They're more like for the value aspect of the market. So if you want good performance at a good price point, you go with AMD. If you want the best performance, you go with Nvidia. But let's see what Intel brings to the table. They discussed a lot of things, a lot of innovations they're making to bring us better performance, maybe up to 17% improvements in IPC. If you want to know more about what this article covers, link will be in the description. Next, we have some more details about Nvidia's upcoming graphics architecture Ampere. Yes, and allegedly Nvidia's new graphics architecture might have up to 24 gigabytes of GDDR6X memory VRAM. So you'll be able to push those higher resolutions and better looking games on those expensive monitors. We have more information about these graphics cards that we're expecting, but although this is a leak slash rumor, you can't always trust it, so things might change when the actual product launches. Next, you can see that more leaks on the rumored RTX 3090 featuring 24 gigabytes of VRAM. A picture of the PCB with a lot of stuff blurred out, and the only thing you can make out behind all this censorship is the amount of memory modules on the back of the PCB. Yes, the back of the PCB. Yeah, they're using a CPU, a blurred out CPU, to cover the back of the PCB, and a sodium memory module, a sodium RAM stick to cover the pins of the PCI Express. You can barely make out what's going on, but as I can see, it has about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 memory modules on the back, and it has a free 8-pin PCI Express power connectors. So the rumors about this card being a massive power hog might be true. Well, while our power supplies are shaking, we might have to get new stuff for this card when it comes out. Okay, next article. Micron slips up and reveals more details about the upcoming graphics card RTX 3090. I know Nvidia can't be too happy about the leak of the information. So as you can see from this graph, you see the RTX 3090 at the end here with the number of placements for the RAM modules is 12, and it's the gigabits is 19 to 21 gigabytes per second, and can expect up to 76 to 84 of gigabyte placements, and so on. Yeah, the links to all these articles are going to be in the video description in case you want to get more information that I might not cover in the video. So you can check the description. Finally, finally, Micron reveals HBM Next, the successor to HBM2E. Yes, the next evolution in the high bandwidth memory that might rival the GDR6 or GDR6X, but we haven't seen any performance testing. We only have speculation because we don't have any third-party reviews of the memory yet. So we'll have to wait until reviews so we can know the performance of it. But it's good to see that new technologies are coming out for the space. Guys, that's it for the video. Like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. I'd like to hear what you guys think about the video. And tune in next time. This has been Wolf with the Tech News.